You know what's funny is that they upgraded all of this, the whole road, and the thing they did not want to upgrade is the gate. Because this gate is those older gates. It's funny. We have a green signal, so. Look, this is what I mean. Shit, you can't see that. Where's the train? Dude, it's a freight train. I actually was not expecting a freight train. So that was not the track I was expecting a train. I was actually expecting that other track over there for a train to come. No, it was that track. So we're waiting for another train, and no, I'm not editing this. I was just cutting because I use a Samsung, and in Samsung phones that's actually possible. And the reason why I'm doing 0.6 right now is because you can see the whole crossing. Now, yeah, when the train comes, I'm not gonna film 0.6x zoom. It's so funny they don't use the new gates. They're using the new gates. Oh, and they have literally upgraded the crossing, and they did not upgrade the fucking gates. All of this is upgraded, and also there are some newer crossings, because almost this whole place has changed, because in 2016 I went train spotting here, and it looked completely different. So, or did I say 2018 or 2016? I don't know. I was not paying too much attention to the words I was using. But yeah, we have a green signal. So, yeah. Situation changed. I momentarily more train. Oh yeah. But how long did they have that there? The last time I was here, I don't remember that. That's the signal. Those are the railway signaling. Oh, it's perfect. It's all in the video when I used 3 times Zoom. Oh yeah, I'm saying random stuff because I really don't know why actually. We're just waiting for a train to come because I want to. Yeah. Sorry I'm adding more filler content, but I just want to talk. But yeah, I'm gonna cut. I just noticed this, but is that a siren or is that just a chimney type of thing? I don't know how you call it. It's those things with smoke. That's with that smoke. Yeah, I really don't know. Truck. So I checked the train tracker app, and it says, well, not. It's basically an website. I mean, There's a train nearby, waiting at that station. It's NS 186.
Oh no.
It's actually two NS 186s. Another one coming! Another one incoming! The crossings are gonna go up and they're gonna go down again soon. So in the app, in the train tracking website, it says there's another one. So we're going to wait a little bit for that other one to come, and then I'll end the video. So I'm not gonna cut the footage. Yeah, exactly what I mean. Okay, I'm just gonna stop zooming in to this stuff. It is all of those trains are NS186. Okay, so that's it. It's the last train.